Okay, Aaron, what the hell is this? What am I looking at?
Well, Sandy, what you're looking at is a machine you've probably never seen in your life before, because there's only 4 that exist in this country, and you're looking at them.
Looking at all 4 of them? Really?
Yeah. This is a patented welding process that we co-developed with 2 other partners in the United States to be able to produce the products that we're making for our customers. Custom machines, and we're about to show you a little bit of what this thing does. But as an example here, we're marrying 2 different aluminum materials together to produce a welded component here. So here's the after, and this is the before. So you have an 80,000 stick aluminum bus bar, and that's welded onto a 5,000 stick aluminum foil. All precision made and located.
I recall hearing about our guys looking at this and not knowing exactly what they were looking at. So it does this weld right here?
Yes, sir.
Well, I have no idea what I'm looking at, so that doesn't happen very often. Yeah, this is kind of cool.
Yeah, so we'll show the process here, and then I'll show you how this is actually consumed.
Okay.
So there's 2 mating parts to this process. So on this side, we're introducing, and we don't want to break the light curtain. We're introducing the stamping that we have at our other facility, which we saw earlier today, with the bus bar, into the machine, and then it goes through our welding process, and at the end it produces a welded component. So we'll walk around to the front. So from a front view, on the left side, on this table over here to the left, we've got custom fixtures that we put our bus bars into to have the precision location in order for the automation equipment to pick up these components, put them into the welding cavities, and then we bring in the second piece of material, which is the aluminum foil that we are stamping inside this piece of equipment, overlaying it on top of our stamped part, and then we go ahead with the welding process with the fixture locating everything. We have the material coming in. It's going through the stamping process, stamped, and then we got the parts produced. So in this example, we're introducing the bus bar from the right side with a Fanuc robot. From the left side, we're stamping out the aluminum foil, overlaying on top of the bus bar. These welding fixtures that have a series of holes that use suction to hold down the aluminum. It's compressed through a roller and then sent through our patented welding process in order to weld the 2 materials together. It's got a revolving fixture system that rotates these things through, and on the back end of it is when you got your final part, the robot takes it out of the fixture and spits it out of the machine.
Amazing. That is amazing.
It was our first taste into welding into automation. It was just been a complete success. And since then, there's about 52 robots in this facility that we're utilizing. This particular machine, I believe, is 3. You can see the fixtures coming through, and it's going through each series of welding heads. All the welding heads are customized, and it's got specific Z depths based on the material thickness variation, all that, and it's all precisely measured in order to give us the perfect weld on each one of these particular parts. And you can see the back end here now. This is where the part has been welded complete, still in the fixture. The robot with this end of arm tooling is grabbing the part, removing it from the fixture. Once the fixture has been emptied out, it's cycled through and brought to the beginning of the process in order to recycle this process all the way through. And as I said earlier, all these machines are designed and built the same, but the fixturing and the part configuration are different. There's 4 different versions we produce here.